This morning we've completed 3 turnarounds, 33 carriages. Basically, we're cleaning the train from top to bottom. When the train arrives, we normally get between 15 and 20 minutes turnaround time, where we're basically litter picking, cleaning tables, cleaning window ledges, hoovering carpets, cleaning overhead racks. Everything on the train we try our best to sanitise and polish up.
When the turnabout cleaners do a good job, that helps when the train gets back to the depot, because cleaners that do our overnight cleans and our PHCs, our periodic heavy cleans, can start again from a higher plane if a lot of the heavy litter has been removed, and they can then start to look at the areas that we want to specialise in, type of thing.
Later on in the day, after 12 o'clock, when the trains start to get really busy, it becomes a challenge. 15 minutes is not a lot to clean 11 coaches. And then if you put delays on top of that, you're cutting your turnaround time down to 5 minutes, but still, trains got to go out looking presentable. I've been doing this job for close on 30 years now. I take a lot of pride on making sure these trains go out of here. I hate any complaints about the train. Thankfully, we don't get that many. I've got a good team here.
OCS are a massive part of our team. They're not only keeping our train clean, they're also keeping us safe. Let's support them in helping them to get this right for everyone, for the passengers, for us and for them.